cool old kidney-shaped pool here. Well, they've brought it back from a childhood memory. I was brought up around one of these, and I've got to tell you, right, the guys here, they've brought it back, and it's going to be a trend. Look, there are a lot of leaves around here. There's a lot of trees, there's lots of debris. I mean, look, they do have a cover, but a cover can only do so much. So you're going to need like a cleaner that can do this, and obviously there's a lot of curves on it, so you've got a lot of corners that you just cannot get to where these steps are. Well, the solution for that, we've got the Aiper Scuba S1 here. Well, one of the best features about the Scuba S1 is that we've got these beautiful caterpillar treads here, and that's going to get up any step, any wall, and keep any pool. Well, the best thing about this is that it's cordless, okay? So it's one of the first robotic cleaners that doesn't have a cord on this. And the same thing, it looks fantastic. It's got everything that you need in a cleaner. Again, one click, that's all you got to do. Let it clean the pool, go away, come back, mate, job done.